In any modern business, the drive for productivity demands speed. Employees need instant, frictionless access to their software and data to keep moving. If an engineer needs a new database tool, they want it right now. But IT and security teams are operating under an entirely opposing mandate. They are tasked with preventing data breaches, stopping insider threats, and weighing heavy compliance frameworks like SOX or HIPAA against the constant demand for open access. Traditionally, this conflict creates a dangerous vacuum. Organizations try to bridge the gap with messy spreadsheets and slow IT help desk tickets. Worse, when employees change roles, their old permissions are rarely revoked, leading to a silent accumulation of ghost access. Okta Identity Governance, or OIG, is designed to step in as an automated referee. It manages the entire lifecycle of a user's digital access logically and automatically. By treating access as a life cycle rather than a one-off request, identity governance replaces that manual tug-of-war with a streamlined system. It keeps the workforce moving forward without sacrificing the security perimeter. The life cycle begins the moment an employee needs something new. Instead of emailing an IT admin, the user logs into a simple self-service portal to request specific, time-bound access to a resource. But giving access to an application is essentially just unlocking the front door of a building. To control what happens inside, OIG uses entitlement management. Entitlements are the specific rooms and actions a user is allowed to access once they're through the door. By zooming in past the top-level app access, we get fine-grained visibility. OIG groups these specific permissions together into an entitlement bundle, making it easier to assign exact roles without guessing. These entitlement bundles are categorized by risk level. This prioritization ensures that requesting access to a high-risk financial database triggers much stricter scrutiny than asking for a low-risk design tool. And if the employee's manager is on vacation and unresponsive to that request, predefined escalation settings automatically route it to the next correct stakeholder, keeping the process from stalling. Governing access at this granular entitlement level ensures that an employee is never dangerously over-provisioned from the very start. Looking at the Okta documentation for access certification campaigns, we see the tools for routine maintenance. These are scheduled quarterly or annual reviews that force managers to regularly certify that their users still actually need the access they have. These reviews enforce strict separation of duties rules. If a single user attempts to hold the permission to both submit an invoice and approve that exact same invoice, the system's logic explicitly blocks it to prevent fraud. But routine checks aren't enough when an active threat emerges. That requires security access reviews, the high-stakes protocol. If a specific security incident or access anomaly is detected, administrators can trigger a targeted ad hoc investigation. This allows them to instantly assess risk and enact temporary or permanent revocation of those permissions. Combining these predictable, scheduled campaigns with rapid response anomaly reviews makes it clear that corporate access is a continuously monitored privilege, never a permanent right. Now, look what happens when AI agents enter this workflow. These digital tools rapidly inject themselves into standard organizational charts alongside human employees. The risk here is unique. AI agents require deep system permissions to execute tasks, but they execute tasks at a speed and volume traditional, human-centric oversight simply cannot track. To solve this, OIG mandates strict accountability. Every automated AI agent must be assigned to a specific human owner. Strict policy enforcement ensures these bots retain only the bare minimum permissions needed to function, while simultaneously generating a comprehensive second-by-second audit trail of their automated actions. Modern identity governance requires this identity-agnostic approach. High-speed bots and algorithms must be subjected to the exact same rigorous scrutiny as human employees. Ultimately, the entire access lifecycle leads to one final destination: governance reporting and compliance. This section of the Okta documentation shows how OIG translates the daily churn of requests and revocations into concrete evidence. The platform generates syslog events and automated reports built specifically for compliance audits like SOX, GDPR, or HIPAA. When auditors arrive, IT teams can hand over hard data detailing exactly who had access to specific entitlements, the exact timestamp that access was granted, and the date it was last reviewed by a manager. This resolves the tension we started with. IT maintains definitive, heavily audited control over the environment, while employees still get the frictionless self-service access they need to do their jobs. Identity governance is the foundational framework that secures a highly dynamic workforce and provides the hard evidence required to prove that security to the outside world.